how to stop Instagram from suggesting your account. In this video, guys, I'm going to be walking you through on how you can stop Instagram from suggesting your account. So this can be done on the app, guys. As you can see, if you click on edit profile, it's not showing here. So the first step I want to do is open your browser. When you open your browser, go ahead and search for instagram.com. When you open your instagram.com, go ahead and click on where it says login. When you click on login, guys, go ahead and log in your Instagram account. So I'm going to be doing that for now. So when you log in your Instagram account, guys, go ahead and click on not now. When you click on not now, go ahead and click on your profile section. So when you click on your profile section, guys, open it. When you click on your profile section, go ahead and click on where it says edit profile. So go ahead and click on that. When you click on edit profile, guys, scroll down. As you can see, guys, it's showing where show account suggestion on profiles. So just go ahead and toggle this off. When you toggle this off, go ahead and click on where it says submit. So when you do this step, guys, your Instagram account is not going to be suggested anymore. So I hope this video is helpful. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button to support the channel. See you on the next one.